Hello friend, myself Jitendra Kumar. I am taking electrical machine design for electrical engineering students of 7th semester. In continuation of the previous lecture related to the special types of machines, now we are discussing about the intermittent duty type machine. Intermittent duty cycle machine. It consists of periodic duty cycles, each consisting of a period of running at a constant load and a rest period. Neither the duration of running period is sufficient to raise the temperature to a steady state value, nor the rest period is long enough for the machine to cool off to ambient temperature. In this duty, heating of machine during starting and breaking operation is negligible in nature. So the duty cycle of this type of machine will be the N upon N plus R, where N stands for the duration of the operation and R indicates the period of rest. So as per the graph, we are finding that the load is not continuous in nature. It will be given on a specific period, and there is a delay between the applying the load over the machine. So the characteristics of the temperature versus time of this type of machine will be straighten like this, and it will suddenly increase and then it will be decrease up to the point where the previous curve will be ended. These are the example of this type of motors are first is the hoist type, lift type, traction motors and the trolley buses. So these are the basic applications where we are using the intermittent type of machines. These are the another example where elevator car is there and elephant the design of the machine will be manufacturing as per the requirement of the customers and will be operate in a particular manner. So this will be another machine which will be opting over the elevator type or the manufacturing or elevator types of the or lift type operation of a specific board. These are the machines where this part will be the armature, this is the motor cage, this is the mounting points, and this part will be indicated as a field coils, and this shaft will be called as a pinion shaft. And for the monomotor body as designed for the metro line link. It will be the design where we are using this type of motor, and under this one there is a one motor will be attached over here just to meet the speed of the devices. Next will be the intermittent periodic duty with starting. This is intermittent periodic duty where N losses during during starting cannot be ignored. Thus, it consists of a period of starting, a period of operation at a constant load, and at a rest period. The operating and the rest periods will be too short for the respective steady state temperature to be attained. In this duty, heating of machine during braking is considered are to be negligible. Because mechanical brakes are negligible, force stopping on motor is allowed to stop due to its own friction. As the indicator indicates the starting period and it stands for the indicates the number duration of operation, and R will be indicates the period of rest. So R is the period of rest, S will be the N will be the no operation starting period, no operation is there, duty operation is there, and the R will be stand for the rest period. So we are getting the characteristics of this type of graph as the below. These are the example of such motors is the machine tools and the metal cutting machine. And the metal cutting lathes are there. This will be the lathe machine which will be it comes under this operation. So here the variable speed control knob. A DC motor is there, spindle is there, V-drive belt is there, two-speed pulley, head stop locking to screw, drive dog, faceplate, spindle bars or tummy bars. There will be the spindle bars or tummy bags are there, dead centers are there. One more check, more, one more check arbor. Draw board and the washer is there, lathe base is there, adjustment keys, tail start check key, tail start jib, lead screw hand wheel, tail start locking screw, tail start hand wheel, tail start tail start spindle locking screw, take take lock, tail start chuck with zero moss arbor. There is a saddlebag, there is a crossbed, there is a hand lever, cross lead, feed hand lever, toolbox and the cutting tools are there, head stock is there and three jar checks are available at the end of the motor. Thank you for attending this lecture where we are discussing special types of machines so, and manufacturing and the operation characteristics of the machine. Thank you.